welcome to my channel, Everything Martha Crafts and More. I have a quick video for you today on one of the things that I told you that I was going to do that turned out totally different from what I thought it was. And it has to do with a lamp that my husband brought from a job that he's working on. And it's a really nice house, like a really big, nice house that he's remodeling. And he took down a Tiffany lamp and the owner was going to dump it, so he brought it home, and he doesn't typically do that. But the lamp was so pretty that he brought it home and he thought of installing it in our foyer area. So I waited about a week and then I decided to start cleaning up the lamp, and I wanted to retouch it with a little bit of bronze paint, the areas of the metal. So when I started cleaning the lamp and I started to move the metal so that I could put it in the correct angle, the metal just broke off. It seemed like the metal part of the lamp was rotted. So right away I thought of maybe just throwing out the lamp, but it has 5 Tiffany glass areas. And I thought, this is so pretty, I can't throw it away. What could I do with it? So I took the Tiffany parts out, and that is what I am going to be working on today. Let's see how my project turns out. So here it is, you guys. Here's the lamp that my husband brought from one of the jobs that he's working on. I guess they didn't want it. They were going to get rid of it. And he brought it home. And I'm going to do a little work on this lamp to beautify it just a little bit. And then hopefully maybe he can hang it up for me in the entryway to my house. Let's get to work. Here it is inside my house. And it's kind of dirty, so I'm going to clean it first, and then I'm gonna touch it up a little bit with some paint. And hopefully when it's all cleaned and dried up, my husband will hang it for, and I can show you what it looks like. Beautiful lamp. This is the way I'm going about cleaning it. I put some water and some soap in a disposable cup, and here I have my brush, and I'm just going to brush the soap and water all over wherever I see that it has to be cleaned. And the brush helps me to just get into every little crevice. When I have it all cleaned and dry, then I'm going to start giving it a little bit of paint, because I think it needs a little freshening up. So let me go ahead, finish cleaning this and drying it, and I will be back. I'm beginning to dry the lamp now. I just know this lamp is going to be very beautiful when I'm done with it. We just have to give it a little bit of tender, loving care. Apparently, the metal is sort of rotted because as I was trying to move these, they just broke off. So it seems like the metal ironwork is rotted, and it's a shame. But being the crafter that I am, I could not throw away the Tiffany parts of this lamp, and I'm going to do something with them because they're so pretty. And here they are over here. Okay guys, so here are the little Tiffany pieces from that lamp I just showed you. And since I'm a crafter, I couldn't see myself throwing these out. Look how pretty these are. So that is why I bought these. So I bought these at the dollar store, and I bought these at Five Below. Let me go get some batteries and I will be right back. Okay, so I went to get my batteries. There's another one. And there's another one. Oh, it lights up pretty brightly. Ooh, very brightly. So, what I was planning to do is to paint this black. I could take this piece out because I'm not gonna hang it. I guess this is in case you want to hang it, and then it has this sticker here in case you want to stick it to a wall, which I'm not gonna do that either. But this was my idea. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that super cute? Wow, I really like that. I feel like taking this off. So I'm planning to paint this in black, which, look at that. This ones are gonna work really well. Because I also bought these. Let's see how this one works. Okay, you guys, so here's the other light. And so you just, when you want to switch the color, I don't know if you could tell, you just tap it in the middle for a second and it switches colors. And then if I hold it down for a couple seconds, it turns off. I actually like the ones from the Dollar Tree better. I am going to keep this for something else because this one works perfect. The size, it's just the perfect size. The bulb fits perfectly in the hole that the bottom of the Tiffany glass has. It just gives off so much light. I think this one is perfect. So since there was 5 of these, I am going to go get 3 more of those and make myself some little Tiffany lamps, like for the nightstand or for a little table in the living room. And there was no way I could throw these out because look how pretty they are. Okay, so I'm going to use some super glue to put in a little bit in a few places. And I'm gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna paint it in black. So I had bought only 2 because I honestly did not think these were going to work. And that's why I went and got those at Five Below, these. Yeah. Because all I have to do is flip the lamp over, twist it, and I can replace the batteries whenever I need to. There. Look how bright that is. Woo! I'm gonna remove the bottom part again. This, I don't need that. And I'm going to... Okay, you guys, so it has been glued. Now it's time to paint the bottom. All right. And I have a coppery color that I think I'm going to mix with the black. And it's this metallic chocolate brown from Folk Art. That's what I'm gonna use. So I'm painting the second lamp. I already painted the first one. Look at it over there. Isn't that cute? Doesn't that look pretty? Doesn't that look really nice? I thought that's beautiful. So that Folk Art metallic chocolate brown went perfect with it. It looks like it's a metal piece down there instead of a plastic little lamp from the Dollar Tree. Look at that. I'm gonna let you see it close up. Look at, doesn't it look like a metallic piece? Like this right here is the metal piece from the lamp, and I went over it with the paint as well. And look how pretty that is. So with what, $2.50, because these were $1.50 a piece, I've got myself 2 nice little table lamps. Now when this black dries, I'm gonna go over it with the metallic brown, and then I'll show you how they look. Got myself some new little Tiffany table lamps. I'll show you how they look when I turn them on after they've dried. Okay, and here it is, my 2 little new table lamps. And I think they're so cute. I have it on my mantle where I have all my angel collection. And I have this beautiful church. Let me see if I can light it for you so you can see how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. It has glitter all on the inside. And there's my mom blowing a kiss at me. And my mom used to love to take selfies. And I do have her phone, and she has, oh my goodness, when she was still feeling well, and she would, every day she'd wear makeup and get dressed, and she'd throw a selfie. And one day when I was looking at her phone, after she passed away, I saw that she had taken this picture of herself throwing a kiss, and I had to print it, and now I feel like my mom is blowing a kiss at me every day. So I have her here on top of my mantle, throwing me a kiss. And I have this beautiful angel that says believe. And I have that angel from my friend Amy, Away Girl. And that angel over there has a nativity in the front. My sister Ida, who passed away already, gave me that one. And this one was given to me by my mom, and it says abuela, because I am an abuela, which means grandmother. And there are my little lamps, my little tapers, the other one. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. I'll back up so you can see. Years ago, I would have probably thrown that whole lamp away, and now I was able to create 2 little beautiful table lamps, and I have 3 more to work on. And here is the merciful Jesus, because he grants us graces and mercy every single day. Believe. So thank you so much for watching. I really had a lot of fun making this project. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you always remember, before you throw something out, ask yourself, is there something I can make with this? I'm sure that sometimes you're gonna come up with something. So have a great afternoon. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.